Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. We've got the husband here.
What's up guys?
In the kitchen. He's joining me in the kitchen today, and it's kind of different video. We're actually going to be making, of course from the title you can see, pizza. And of course we wanted to just talk to you guys a little bit about Ramadan. You know, Ramadan is here and it's a little bit different one for us this year, but you know, so just a cool video we're just going to be doing, making some pizza with you guys, and you know,
Ramadan Mubarak to everyone watching.
So let's get started. So we're going to start off with the pizza dough, of course, because when you're making pizza you need to knead it and you need to let it sit for a couple of minutes, maybe like a half hour or so.
Couple of minutes.
So he's going to, and yeah, it depends on the temperature you area in or whatever, but let me just tell you all. So if I have any yeast items that I'm working with, I actually put it in the microwave. Don't put it on, I just mean put the bowl in the microwave, and it actually like helps speed up the process.
And after you mix it?
Yeah,
after you mix the dough, you let the dough rest in the microwave.
Yeah.
Yes, you do that. After I microwave it and the bread will come out so good.
Yeah, but that's actually pretty helpful. So the basic ingredients for our pizza dough, what you put in here?
We have 4 things in there. We have flour.
All-purpose flour reason.
All-purpose flour. We have yeast. We have some baking powder. Some sugar.
No honey, that's not baking powder. That's salt.
I mean salt.
So yeah, so it's basically all-purpose flour. You need yeast, that's the rising agent, and salt, and some brown sugar. The brown sugar is just basically to activate the yeast, and we need some oil.
We make it.
You need some oil, and we need some warm water to knead it with. So the warm water is just to have activate the yeast as well. So you want to make sure the water is lukewarm. So the first thing you want to do, so when I was telling him to pour the oil, he was actually going to pour it into the bowl one time. I said no, first you need to mix all the dry ingredients properly together. So that's just to make sure that they all mixed in well and incorporated well. So you're not going to be mixing one part of it with only sugar. So we'll show you guys, let's knead it now and show you guys how it's supposed to look as we going along. So are you going to be kneading for us?
I need some help with the kneading.
Okay, so now,
so I mix up all the yeast, flour, sugar, salt.
The oil, and then in goes the water. So you want to knead it, you use your hand.
Water warm way.
Yeah. How does it feel right now? Okay, good. So that should be enough there. And you, alright, so just grab everything together. Alright, so you want to squeeze it all together. And don't squeeze it like that. I mean, just mean like knead it like, right. So grab it. You want me to show you? Let me just show you with my hand.
I grab it with the edge of your finger.
Right, like I showed you in the roti video.
Picking up everything in the bowl first.
Right.
Thinking another thing about thing. I think it's dry.
No, this is fine. So let me see. So you're doing it like this. So what I like to do is actually take it out of the bowl, and it actually helps like this. So you don't want to put too much water in it, and you don't want to put too much flour. So you see, like it's still feeling slightly sticky. Okay, so almost finish it. Finish it off. Come on. And of course, over kneading could cause a stiff result and a stiff dough.
Should stop.
As well, this is your pizza. Okay.
Yeah, push it and pull it. Push it and pull it. It's a little sticky, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So I'm just going to put this aside now. I'm going to actually use my microwave method and just put it in the bowl. And I actually don't even cover it, and I just put it in the microwave, close the microwave, leave it for like some minutes there. It doubles in size in no time. So the dough is in the microwave. We're going to leave it there for a while, and he's going to talk about his ingredients for this. And just remember, with pizza you can put
anything,
just about anything in it. So that's one of those fun dishes. And
it's quarantine time, so we're using what we have. Now this is her idea. Shrimp. So that shrimp pizza is actually shrimp out for bait. Check the size of it.
We're making shrimp pizza for you guys today. So they're very small.
If you cook this any other way, I don't know.
Yeah, so they're very tiny.
So we're discussing the shrimp. You seasoned it before?
Seasoned it before, and I'm going to put some green seasoning, just season it up like normal because they're so small. Just going to top it using you're going to put it on the pizza normal. Yes. But I seen shallot beni there.
I want to put some shallot beni or banana on my pizza, guys. we have it. Go and try it. It's a Trini pizza.
I'm gonna be putting some of that on my shrimp, so you know.
So another quarter of the pizza will have some fresh cheddar in it.
Alright, so normally for me on pizza, I like mushroom.
Yeah.
Now, what y'all think about pineapple on pizza? For me, that's a yes.
For me, it's a yes too.
Yeah, I don't know about you all but I'm sorry, pineapple for me is a yes on pizza.
Comment below, say yes or no for pineapple. I know a lot of people don't like it, but
Yeah, I like it.
we had it, we will put it on for sure.
We have pineapple, but I'm not going to open a whole
What
thing.
kind of estimate?
Yeah, we have like a whole big can, we do have the small ones.
No.
And I also like mushrooms on pizza. Like, I
We don't
love
have any
mushrooms on
mushrooms
pizza. So we can't use that, so we
But
just
what
use
we
what we
do
have.
we have a little tomato.
Yeah.
We have carrots.
You remember the time we went to the supermarket and we were talking about this?
Yes.
Making pizza. So we went to the supermarket one time and we were talking about making a pizza. And he was talking, saying you have to put carrots on it. Trying to figure out who puts carrots on a pizza. So I literally like stopped and asked random people right there in the supermarket. They were like, carrots on pizza? Who's put carrots on pizza?
We put
I
the
mean, a
carrots
healthy
in the-
one, I guess, but like a normal pizza,
Listen,
you're gonna find carrots.
We have carrot in the fridge, and carrots will last long in the fridge, so we're using it. One for half of this carrot. We're going to grate it and put it in the
Cheese
pizza.
on it, just have to.
Sweet pepper, I love sweet pepper. She don't like sweet pepper, I love sweet pepper.
Yeah.
But in that, we
I
have,
like onions.
we have a piece of onion that she was using to
You do
make
something.
corned beef. Just so we throw that on it. And a couple cloves of garlic. This pizza is going to be very interesting.
And for the sauce, I'm using tomato paste, but you know you can also use spaghetti sauce. So I have a bottle of spaghetti sauce, but
Or you can
Not
stretch
even.
it, put some ketchup on it.
yeah. We did that a couple of times.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have two pizza videos up for you guys if you all want to check it out with my two little nieces. And yeah, so I'll put the link down below if you want to check that. I think I mixed ketchup in it to
I think that's
stretch
an
it.
economic way to if you don't have enough tomato paste.
Correct. Yeah, so you can do that. So
Cheese.
we got our cheese now. What's your favorite type of cheese on pizza? So I'm using a combination of cheddar, grated cheddar, and mozzarella.
No, normal Trini cheese is cheddar, right? That's like the block cheese is by.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
mozzarella is less oily and stuff than the cheddar, so it's nice.
Traditional pizza have normal
Mozzarella. So yeah, that's our ingredients for our pizza. So once that's out, we're gonna give it a couple more minutes, and then we're just gonna organize and put everything on. Real simple to make pizza, guys.
Real simple.
Yeah.
Kneading that dough wasn't real simple. I guess once you get the kneading part down,
Yeah.
it should be good to go. And whatever you have, you can just throw it on the pizza.
That's the fun
anything,
thing about it.
anything. You have pieces of chicken. I think you should cook the chicken before. or-
Yeah.
I mean, throw it on. You have some minced meat. Throw it on. You name it. Just get it on there.
Correct. So while he's going to be cutting up his stuff for his
I'll cut
pizza,
the tomato.
guys, cut the tomato anyhow.
Circles?
Any? We could probably cut it in circles, make it nicer looking on the pizza. You could cut it anyhow you want, but
Pizza
we're
is
gonna
fun.
cut it, yeah, in circles. So we're gonna make it. We're gonna decorate the pizza a little bit. So while he's doing that, he's gonna talk a little bit about Ramadan for us. You know, it's different this year for sure because as you all know, we have that stay at home in effect, so we can't really have our regular iftars, and the tarawih will be different for sure. And you know, so it's a kind of different one for us, but
It's totally different for us. I mean, every day, almost every day, we were in iftar.
yeah, and you know, at mosque too for
And
the
Tarawih, every
yeah.
night we used to try to go to Tarawih.
Yeah,
So
so-
now you're just home. I mean, I guess the benefit of it is you have more time home to do more positive stuff. Use the time wisely.
That's what I was saying too, you know. So I mean, try to use the time in a positive way and use it in the best way possible. Make the best out of it. That's the most we could do right now. You know, everything is a test for us. We need to remember that as well. So
Yeah.
you know, just try to make the best of it.
A lot of people think Ramadan is a staying away from stuff. It is, you know, fasting, staying from food and stuff like that. But more important, Ramadan is to try to improve yourself during the month. Like at least improving one thing in your deen. Like say if you know it's pray sunnah for one particular salah, start to pray that sunnah.
What is
you know,
sunnah? Remember, like
the optional prayer, like and we pray 5 times a day as
for
Muslims.
those of you guys who don't know, like
Yeah.
Ramadan first of all is
Oh, yeah, right.
the 9th month of our Islamic calendar, and it's the month of fasting. So we fast from sunrise to sunset,
About
basically.
14 hours a day in Trinidad.
No drinking anything, no eating anything also. And when we break fast, we have this gathering called iftars. And somebody suggested that we do something just to give an idea of what iftar is like when we break fast. So you break fast and you go to mosque. That's what the usual normal thing would have been for us during Ramadan, to go to mosque right after we break our fast. We eat something, we head to mosque, and You know, so now it'll be different for us this time. So he was saying like really sooner.
Yeah, like I say, Ramadan is basically people think is about staying away from food and drink during the day, but more specifically it's like a month that you should try to improve yourself in any way possible. Become a better Muslim and by extension a better human being.
So he's cutting up his onions, looking good. Don't need much help because it's nothing much. I'm just gonna season up my shrimp. And when we come back, we're just gonna be putting everything.
Rolling out the pizza.
Yeah, oh yes, you're gonna see him rolling. I don't know what shape we're gonna end up with too, but that's another fun thing.
Circle.
You could put we could do a rectangle one because we have the tray.
Alright, yeah.
So we could do a square or rectangle. He gets it away. But you know, it's all up to you. You can make any shape you want to. So yeah, when we come back, we're just gonna roll it out and put everything on it. Alright guys, this is what the dough looks like. It's been half an hour or so. And this is all the vegetables, like I said, he chopped up already. I've got his shrimp bait that we're using today for shrimp pizza. The cheese already there. And we forgot to mention the oregano. We must have a little bit of the just dried stuff on it, dried herbs on it. So you're going to be sprinkling on top this, sprinkling this on top of the pizza. He's going to roll it out for us.
We roll it in a rectangle.
Alright, so you're rolling it out. So try to make it in, actually you can make it any one you
Because the tray kind of big, right? So
the tray is big, yes.
But if they have a tray.
Yeah, if you don't have a tray, so I think most people probably would have like a pizza tray at home. I don't know, but we don't have one for some reason. We've always just used the other trays. Like we have these half-size trays and then we have another one. So it's just basically to put it on something flat to
Where you got those trays from?
Super Suppliers, guys. So you can check out Super Suppliers. I'll post the link down below to that Facebook page, and they actually have the trays. Let's transfer it across.
No, we shouldn't grease the tray because we have these
These
silicone mats. They don't have silicone mats. We have to
grease it with some spray. How's this? Cool.
Looking real good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right. So this is what it looks like. This is the tray we're talking about. So it's pretty huge, I know, but it's just to make it on. So the next thing you're going to be doing basically is just put in your tomato paste.
Right.
And then top in everything. Yeah. So next step is to just put all your toppings.
Cheese, all cheese first now. Alright. I just like to put a little bit of cheese just to start off with. You know. Now you're sprinkling some garlic here, guys.
The cheese is on. Last thing we're going to be doing is sprinkling on the oregano. This in the oven. He's going to pop it in the oven at 350. We're going to check it back in a little while. So guys, it's been about 22 minutes, between 20 to 25 minutes. We left the pizza in the oven for 350 degrees. Show them. Kind of hot still.
I can show them.
Check it
Does it slide
out.
off? Looking real good though.
So we've got our shrimp pizza looking fantastic. So we're cutting it.
Well, let's remember the pizza has all of the nice raw garlic. Shadow beni, you want to cut it by chance? It's not a circle, so we can't cut it diagonal. So we'll cut it so, and then we'll guess.
How we cut it? Like, wait, hold on, let's see.
So,
if you don't cut it in a nice big slice, yeah, like cut it.
Yeah,
and then cut it.
So.
Right, you can do that.
Right.
Good. Wow, look at all of this stuff there, guys.
Whoa.
Look at all of this stuff there.
Go ahead.
I have to.
Ladies first.
Wow. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
shape just kind of, you know. But it's all.
A little off, but it's all good. Good stuff. So, hope you all enjoyed the pizza video. If you all never had shrimp pizza, I know it's quite popular though. Fish pizza and all
fish
tuna.
not as popular in Trinidad.
Yeah, we had that in St. Vincent.
Trinidad, yeah.
Yeah, pretty good stuff. So, you know, pizza, one of those things, add just about anything.
Anything.
to it.
Literally anything.
Yeah.
And it's fun you can have it. And get the kids involved, let them make their own style.
Yeah, so
Like,
I'll post a link for the other videos that I did. The one with my two nieces, so I can check that out with them too.
how the characters in it is.
Actually, I don't even taste it.
See, how the carrots inside.
I didn't even
veggies.
these. Yeah.
Excellent.
Pretty good stuff, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, Ramadan Mubarak. Of course, make the best of the month. Thanks so much for watching. Anything you want to say?
Easy stuff for Ramadan too, guys. You can break your fast it. I like cold pizza, eat in the morning too.
Yeah.
So, get in the kitchen, have fun, use time wisely. Thanks so much.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
If you make any, send the pictures.
Of course, yes,
Yeah,
we'd
the
like to
album.
see the pictures, but just remember the thing about Ramadan, the next couple of weeks, so most of the videos will be already scheduled, like pre-scheduled and pre-done, so I would not necessarily, might be able to give you all shout outs.
But you can
per
post the
se.
pictures on.
Yeah, so we already have the videos already lined up to be posted in a couple of months.
I'm still hoping to make it on your album on Facebook, guys.
Hey,
I'm still hoping.
in a time. I get a lot of pictures, so I have to do it in a time. So when I post it on Instagram, after a while, then it ends up on Facebook. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Keep sending those pictures, keep
Yeah,
sending the
my girl.
recipes, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Thanks for watching, guys.